Hi, this is Richard Miller. I'm joined by Shawna Brown. We're from the Elder Law Department at Mandelbaum, Barrett, and we are here today to continue our series talking about the Netflix show Fisk. And today we're going to focus on season 2. Episode 2, that's it. All right, so Fisk, season 2, episode 2, has this social influencer. And she wants to get likes and followers because she wants to videotape her will and make this fun and exciting. And of course, when people come here to do wills, we guarantee that it's going to be fun and exciting. So no one's ever disappointed by that. But she wants to get all of this group following. So first of all, can you do a video will? Is that valid?
No, it is not.
All right. Why isn't it valid? What has to happen in order to make a will legal?
Well, it has to be in writing. So it's important that that be done. And as we said in our prior vlog on this show, you can do a writing intended to be a will. So New Jersey has a lenient standard. However, the best thing to do is to see a qualified attorney and have them prepare a written, properly executed will for you.
Okay, so what was your takeaway from this episode? What did you like best about our social influencer and her desire to make this will process fun?
Well, I mean, I have to hand it to her for trying. I admit I follow influencers on Instagram and, they record everything in their life. And I appreciate her efforts to do that for her fans. But, I'll admit, I don't know that estate planning is the most fun thing. And I always tell clients, I realize this might not be a fun thing for you to do, but I know that when you leave this building after you sign your documents, you're going to feel better and you're going to have a burden off your shoulders and know that certain things are taken care of in your life.
Yeah, she was a little bit disappointed that the process wasn't as fun as she would hoped it would be. And when Fisk told her, you still need to do a will because you may walk out of here and get hit by a bus, that didn't go over very well with her. But that's the truth. We don't know what could happen. But one of the things that we see from time to time is that people say, well, I don't need a will. I don't have a lot of money, or my estate's not that complicated, but that's not really the case. Everybody needs a will regardless of circumstances. It doesn't matter whether you're very wealthy or you don't think that your estate's complicated. There's a situation and a reason why everybody needs a will, right?
I agree. Yeah, I think really it's important because the will controls, everything that you own in your sole name. So it could even control your tangible property. People might fight over those things after you pass away.
People
they might have
fight?
value.
We don't see people fight. No.
I don't know what you're doing here. I see people fight all the time about really silly things sometimes, and it seems silly, but that's why it's so important to do a will. Also, this is especially important for people who have young children who are under the age of 18. In your will, you can designate a guardian for them. So if you and your spouse both pass away, you can choose who is, in charge of your children's legal.
So there's many reasons to do a will. Everybody should have one, along with a power of attorney, a health proxy, all of those things. But watch season 2, episode 2 of Fisk. You'll know what we're saying. Again, we look forward to your comments, and we'll be back with our review and our comments on episode 3 shortly.